Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to contact AliExpress customer service. Let's get started. First, go to aliexpress.com and log in through the icon account right here. And once you're done, just click on the Help Center button down here. In the Help Center button, you can select the topic that is most closely related to your problem. You can also check the frequently asked questions and click on the one that you think will help you. The site will point you to necessary steps you need to do to hopefully address your concern. If this does not solve your problem, you can scroll down and click on the Online Service option. This will lead you to a new tab where you can talk to an agent to help address your concern. And that is how you can contact AliExpress customer service. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.